Today, another chapter was added to the glorious history of the International Space Station, the orbiting laboratory circling Earth for over 20 years. Today, Russia launched a new locally developed research module, Nauka, for the Russian segment of the ISS. The Nauka module was blasted off to the International Space Station atop a 3-stage Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan.
Engine start and liftoff. A module named Science takes flight to the International Space Station.
This will be Russia's first significant addition to the International Space Station in more than a decade. Nauka will complete 8 days in free flight to allow Russian flight controllers to evaluate its systems. After that, the 43-foot-long 23-metric-ton module will automatically link up to the port on the Earth-facing side of the Russian segment station, vacated by the departure of PIRS. Nauka is a sizable module, including crew quarters, an airlock for scientific experiments, and much more. It is about 20% larger than the biggest Russian segment of the station, the Zvezda service module. Nauka will serve as a new science facility, docking port, and spacewalk airlock for future operations. 2 days after Nauka's launch into orbit, the uncrewed ISS Progress 77 spacecraft will undock from the Russian segment of the station while attached to the PIRS docking compartment. The PIRS module retires after having been part of the orbital outpost for the past 20 years. It was functioning as a docking port for Russian visiting spacecraft and an airlock for Russian spacewalks. A few hours after undocking, Progress's engines will fire in a deorbit maneuver to send the cargo craft and PIRS into a destructive re-entry in the Earth's atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. Russia is launching its largest module at a time when its future participation in the International Space Station program is coming to an end. The Russian space agency Roscosmos has officially announced it is pulling out of the International Space Station program in 2025. The decision was made due to safety concerns over the aging space station structure. Russia plans to build its own orbital service station but hasn't declared a timeline. For more than 20 years, astronauts have continuously lived and worked on the International Space Station, testing technologies, performing science, and developing the skills needed to explore farther from Earth. Thanks for watching.